again, I'm Cristina Gazzo and I give a lot of advice about how you should prepare or you should update your CV. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, make sure you press the down below button. So today's theme is about spellings and grammar mistakes. You should always double check your CV for any spellings or grammar errors. If you have like 1-2 mistakes, the recruiter might not be bothered by it. But if there are more consistent mistakes or misspells in your CV, unfortunately, I don't think that recruiter will select your CV. Do not assume that if you have the right work experience, the recruiter will overlook this. So make sure, as I said, double check your work experience that it's written without any spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes. Hope this helped you in clarifying more and more things about how you should prepare, what should you avoid when you prepare your CV. And I hope this information will actually help you in finding your dream job. If you have any comments or if you have any issues in creating your CV, make sure you drop the comment or any question in the drop comments below section and I'll gladly answer to it. Until next time, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel so you can get all the videos that I'm posting. Until next time, Cristina.